Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can add your tax information. Yeah, one of the importance of adding your tax information is if you don't add your tax information, 30% of your earnings, of your monthly earnings, will be deducted and will be sent to US government. So it's always important to update your tax information. Normally, payment threshold is $100. So if you reach $100, that is a payment threshold. So at any point, once you reach $100 to above from YouTube, the revenue will not be sent to Google AdSense, and from there you'll be expected to, fill your tax information. So all you need to do is to come to, like here, they say to make sure your payment is included in the next payment cycle, please provide your bank information. That will take a few minutes. Here you can just click on update. And after you click on the update, it will bring you here. And the next thing you should do is to click on add tax info. When you click on add tax info, it will ask you to start. What type of account is Samuel Gideon Stephen? And I'll say individual. The account is individual. Click on next. Are you a citizen or resident of the US? I will say no. You can click on next. Select WX tax form type. For me, I will choose Ben. This is for individuals. Now start filling the form. So this place is optional. This place is optional. Yeah, country. The country is not optional. Nigeria. Then foreign TIN. All these things are optional. I will now click on next. The next thing is to now provide my address. The country is important to me. It's necessary. Street is necessary. Suburb, city, and postal code and state, all these are necessary. Then if the mailing address is same as permanent address, you also choose it. After filling those information, click on next. You are to fill this if your country is having a treaty with the United States. For me, no, I'm not eligible for a reduced withholding rate. So if your country is having a treaty with the United States, there are some charges that will not be made on you. Okay. Activities and services performed in the US. Has Samuel Gideon even performed any activities and services for Google within US, or do they expect to in the future? No. I certify that the services provided to Google or affiliates will be performed solely outside the US, and any other labor or capital, including facilities used to provide such services, will be physically located outside the US. Yes. Next. Then here you are to accept all this information if they are okay by you. Then how do you want to get your documents? I would prefer to get my documents by email. Click on next. So if all this information are okay, you can now confirm. I understand under penalties of perjury, I declare that I have examined the information on this form and to the best of my knowledge and believe it is true. Correct, yes. I click on it. Okay, I agree that I will submit a new form within 30 days if any certification made on this form becomes incorrect. On change status affidavit, this tax form may be applied to prior payments by providing the following option certificates. I certify that under the penalties of perjury, the information and representation in this form have not changed and remain true, correct, and complete. Yes. And complete from from entered year of the present below. Yes, January. Enter a year from 2016. Okay, 2020. 25. Description and date for each. Okay, this one is optional. Can I skip it? Your signature. I acknowledge that I'm signing the tax form above. Okay. Do you confirm you are beneficiary owner? Yes, I confirmed. I'm the beneficiary owner, and here is my full name. Okay, so you see my uh, tax application has now been approved. You see approved here. So I'm now good to go. So that's all. Thank you and bye bye.